All right, here we are. Um, this is the converter that we purchased to put on the machine. It's got 3 legs. I'm not sure how all that works. All I know is that this, in order for it to go correctly, where it's rotating this direction, you need to make sure that the reverse button is on there, and that is changed right here. All right, so you want to make sure this F doesn't mean forward or reverse. You want to take a look at this light here to make sure that this spindle is turning this direction. And here I'll show you how that. This is your frequency here. Hit run. So that's at 15, and then it goes all the way up to 65. Got that stopped. It does have a brand new belt that we put in there. We also fixed everything that was having leaks down there, but that's all fixed. And we have a new doodad down here. You need to have that hooked up to your air compressor, and what that does is it controls your up and down here. Oh, forgot to turn that on. So, and we've also got a split coming here so that can blow the air out. And then this is your set. You set how deep you want that to go. And then you can just move it, and then it'll go down even lower. Back up. And this is where let me turn this off. And this is where you put the pins. And I have some bushings here so that you can make those fit. But I just they're kind of kludged together. And there is a set screw underneath here, so you can set that. Lost the other part. Get that. Okay. All right. Other thing that we kind of got for it, it came with the original 1/4-inch collet, which is in here. This is the collet, kind of looks like that, or this is like the collet. It didn't come with the 1/2-inch. Actually, I only ever used the 1/4-inch, but I did buy these to try and make them be able to do more. This is where you can put this into the 1/2-inch, or I mean the 1/4-inch collet that's in there, and then put a 1/2-inch bit in here. And then this is the wrench that would be used for cinching down your bit in the 1/2-inch collet. I did get this also, but again, that did not come with it. So use with caution, proceed with caution. It wasn't up high enough in here to really lock down in it. So I have the little washer here. So then it makes it sit up higher so that it would actually hold on to that. But again, use this cautiously because it did not come with it. Same thing with this. Use this cautiously. Didn't come with it. But it should work. Let's see what else. You can change the height of your table here with this. So that can go quite a bit down. That's the height that it can come back down. So you would have plenty of room still to be able to use that. This table can also tilt. This is your mechanism here for tilting it. We will go ahead and take these legs off because it's on wheels. I added the wheels because I needed to move it around. Makes it up a little higher, but that's up to you. If you want to take the wheels off, I will include them. But I'm going to take off just the base from here. This is all one other thing. And then I will take this off too, because this is what is really stinking heavy. And We did not include the wrenches that go in here because we didn't have any that came with it, and I was just using a set from my husband. My husband's like, "You are not including those. I have a complete set, so I don't have the wrenches for that." But I will send you pictures of what I was using. It was the 1 and 9/16 inch will fit both of these, but I was using a 1 and 9/16 and then a 1 and 5/8 just because I didn't have two of the 1 and 9/16. But the 1 and 9/16 is the minimum that you need on here, but that next size up will also work, and you need two of them so that you can open those. This is new. We did have to replace that because the old seals were bad. So anyhow, now it works the way that it's supposed to, going up and down. And I can't think of anything else. If you have any questions, I don't know if I'll have the answers, but I'll be happy to give it a go. I do have the manual. I found the manual to this that I bought online. I will email that to you. The manual for this I don't have, but you should be able to look that up if you need anything. As I said, the only thing I was ever using was forward and reverse, and then that dials it, and you got your run and your stop. I don't know how to use those, so before you mess with those buttons, find the manual online. Okay, thank you very much. I will talk to you later. Bye.